Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create fancy words, what is called font with Glyphs. My name is Norma Acosta. When all things handmade, let's get to work. The very first thing that you need to do, if you already know the name of the font that you want to use, thefont.com has many of their fonts for free. So you're just going to go thefont.com / I'm going to try the Gabriella. Go on the first one and click, and here it is. Here's your font. This is the one we want. And then I'm going to just bring it down so that you can see the different things that you can accomplish with this font. Another one that I like, it's called Vertilda, and this is how you spell it. But for now, what we're going to do, we're going to download, and I'm using an iMac. If you use a Windows, you probably need to just follow the commands. Here is already it's been downloaded, so I'm going to click on that. It's going to come out to install font, so I'm going to go ahead and install it. So here it is. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to get out of all of this, and I'm going to go down to my Cricut design space, and I'm going to open it. And let me just bring this bigger so you can see everything the way it's supposed to be. So there it is. Here it is. Then you're going to go new project. You're going to click on text, and you're going to look for the font that you downloaded. There it is. You're going to click on it. Then you're going to go down here with where you have your launch pad. You're going to click on that. You're going to open your font book. Again, this is the iMac, and there's my font right there. I'm going to look for the N. I'm going to go ahead and type my name, Norma, here, and press Command C, and then we go to our text and we go Command B, and there's the N. Okay, so then you're going to go ahead and go Norma. So we're going to go back to our font book, and then we're going to go ahead and pick the A, this one right here. So we go Command C, then go down here and go Command B, and there it is, Norma. Okay, there you have it. So now if you want to go ahead and make it bigger, if you want it to be thicker than that, then you will go, let me just go 8, apply. So we remove that, and there it is, thicker. You can go less, you can go more, it's really up to you. So there it is. You can do the same thing. Let me just bring one up. Go text. We need to get the other font. We need so you see how pretty it is. It's spelled Vertilda, and there it is. So we're going to choose that. Then we're going to go over here, open it up on fonts. Let's look for it right here. So same thing, we're going to look for the N right here, and we go Command C, we go here, and we go Command B, and there it is. Again, the same thing, we go Norm, and then let's go back to get the A, open it up, look for the A right there. We go Command C, come over here, and go Command B, and there it is. There it is. So you can do so many things with this here. I hope I was able to bring enough information for you guys. Make sure that if you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, this is all I have for you today. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.